Place Your Trades Network. We are the network that focuses on trading daily options using I'm so sorry about the dogs. Using CME Group's event contracts to trade E-mini S&P, NASDAQ, Dow, Russell 2000, gold, silver, euro, crude oil, natural gas, and copper. Today we have a great show for you with my friend Chetan. Today's broadcast is brought to you by Crudele, which has built a custom app dedicated to trading CME Group event contracts. This is what we're all using at Place Your Trades. Over the next month, we're giving away a trip to Las Vegas. One winner will join the PYT team at the Money Show on April 24th through the 26th. All you have to do is go to placeyourtrades.com/Vegas and sign up before March 1st. On March 1st at 4 p.m. Eastern, we'll have a special show for you and we'll spin the wheel to see who wins the trip to Las Vegas. Chetan, hi.
Hey, what's up?
Not much. I think the delivery person is here with my kids' Valentine's stuff. So the dogs are very excited. Very excited. How are you doing? I feel like it's been quite a while since we spoke.
Yeah, for sure. I think last time was November 2021. So it's been a while.
It has been a while. For the viewers who aren't familiar, do you mind giving us a little elevator pitch as to who you are, how long you've been trading?
Yeah, well, my name is Chetan. I started trading in 2018, late 2018. Primarily, I trade index futures, sometimes bonds, and yeah.
Cool. And you were the very first person who taught me about futures, if I recall. Weren't you the one who said that like barrels of oil could show up at my doorstep anytime?
Yeah, I made that joke about how you could take delivery on futures.
They could just be here whenever. I've certainly learned a lot more about futures over the last few months, and it really kind of blows my mind that I used to trade not looking at them at all.
I mean, I originally started trading Apple and like Nike, I think, and then I was trading SPY. So when I moved into futures, it was like a fairly easy transition.
Mm-hmm.
But it was definitely interesting to just learn about more than just the index, like learning about commodities, learning about rates, learning about volatility futures.
What's your favorite thing to trade?
I'm pretty partial to ES. I really love trading ES, but I did try my hand at trading the 10-year ZN futures. Mm-hmm. So those are pretty fun sometimes. I haven't even touched ultras. Maybe I'll move there at some point.
So this show is called The Intermediate Trader. And I was wondering just what that phrase means to you.
I guess, intermediate trader would be someone who has had some experience, maybe not a lot, but maybe 1 to 2 years, has gotten their process in line and is working towards a goal.
Absolutely. How long did it take you before you felt like you had entered intermediate status?
I would say about 2 years.
And how did you know?
I would say my trade started working out a lot better. I had a much more defined process. I had some more tools under my belt. There were definitely moments where I thought I was ready much earlier, and you always get humbled pretty quickly.
It's so interesting. I always look at the trader's journey graph, where you're like you're losing, then you're bumping along at break even, and then you implement the process and start steadily growing.
Yeah, there's that P&L graph that people have that's annotated that says like where you think you've made it and then you lose and then you like slowly get everything back up.
I, of course, know you from MTA, and I would love for you to just speak, which is Mullins Trading Academy. It's Brad Mullins' room. If you aren't familiar, I'm a moderator in there and have been for a long time. Not a moderator. I'm in charge of marketing there. But anyway, I wanted you to just please speak to the value of community in your trading.
I think community is pretty important in terms of being able to bounce ideas off of people, have someone put you in check. I think if you don't have a group of people immediately or like in real life, I guess, having one of these online communities is pretty helpful. You can learn a lot of information. It's a great way to just gather. And I think that's one of the appeals, honestly, of a lot of these different discords and even these courses is that you're joining a community. I mean, for me specifically, Mullins was great because a lot of the other discords do there's a lot of marketing, there's a lot of hyping up and stuff, and I'm not really into that. I just like to trade and I just want to hear ideas and see people trading. So that was one of the advantages of Mullins.
Yeah, it's just drama free, a lot of close friends. I'm a big fan of MTA. Do you trade every single day?
No, I usually will take a look in the morning or around close. So about an hour before, an hour at the end of the day. I take a lot of trades on swing time frames. Sometimes I'm just managing a position, or sometimes I'm just sitting and watching.
So aside from your community, are there any tools that have helped you on your journey?
I did a lot of reading early on, options trading, futures trading, markets, and then a lot more recently, Python programming. So I've been doing a lot of data visualization, modeling in there. It's pretty helpful. I can just put in, like, if I wanted to see, say, like a treasury yield curve or something, I have that coded now and I can just pull it up in the morning.
So is that helpful for finding an edge?
I would say in that specific example, it's more useful for finding maybe like a big picture view. Or maybe like a background view, and then I can implement more of a technical analysis side. Sometimes you'll have a big picture view and you're like, I think the market is a short or something.
Yeah.
And you'll just constantly, early on, you'll be like, I'm just going to keep buying puts, or I'll keep shorting futures. And if you look at it, you add this short-term view, you're like, okay, well, this isn't the best opportunity. This isn't the best entry.
How often are you doing futures versus options?
Last year I did more futures in the first half of the year, but then I switched more to options because I was experimenting and running some different strategy structures.
Tradevate is our sponsor here at Place Your Trades. Do you know what these daily options and event contracts are?
I have heard about the event contracts. I think I took a look at them, but I'm not that familiar with them now.
This is the web app, the Tradevate web app, and these are all the different markets that you can trade. And, I'm an options trader, and I don't trade futures at all, but you can open up, oh my God, just, it's a hard day to trade, but you can open up the strike list. And if you win, all of these pay out $20. So it's just a fun, interesting way to learn about futures trading, especially if you're an options trader. You've got all the markets. Oh my gosh. Today looks just like it's really going to destroy some people.
Yeah, the CPI number came out this morning and that had a decent reaction.
Yep. Seems like people don't know if it was good or bad.
I guess I'll take a look at something.
Yeah, you gotta try them out. You gotta download the Tradevate app and try them out. So what are some of your goals in 2023?
There are definitely some big mistakes I made last year, rushing into trades, maybe stressing a little too much about, am I missing trades? Am I getting trades? Am I like, I need to make money by this certain date? I just kind of needed to remove that from my process. The last goal is just to keep researching. Last year, I spent a lot of time learning about rates, yields, bonds, that sort of stuff. We'll see about this year. Maybe I'll jump back into energy.
If you could go back in time and give yourself a piece of advice when you started your trading career, what would that advice be?
I would have told myself, come up with a real process. And the other piece would be definitely risk management. That would be a huge one. I never really had a good scaling process. And then at some point I just had told myself, oh, I don't need that.
Sure.
I'm good. I'm fine without it. Like I'll manage on my own, but eventually you blow up something.
What are your current rules for risk management?
I generally don't take positions that are more than 10% of the account. The main one's like scaling, start having a starter, and I never add if I'm losing on the trade immediately. That really helped. So if I have a starter and I just kind of leave it there, I'm a lot less stressed. I don't even worry about the trade really. I can manage as it works from there.
Love a stress-free trade. All right. Well, thank you. I really appreciate it. And I would love to have you back sometime.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Have a great day. Thank you, everyone. And please remember to enter the Vegas giveaway, placeyourtrades.com/Vegas.
See ya.